those Rice Krispies.
Whoa! The premiere kids all across America have been waiting for.
That's some top-notch editing right there. I'm your host, Nancy, welcoming you to RETROcirq. Get ready for a wild ride through retro wonderland. Don't just watch. Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and share these blasts from the past. Let's make memories together.
Water when you brush your teeth.
Live on stage for the first time, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! It's not the movie soundtrack, dudes. This is rock and roll. Now get your kids their hot new audio cassette and concert tour book for $3.99, only at Pizza Hut. Why Pizza Hut? Because they don't sell pizza in record stores, dude.
Listen, here he comes. Wow, Bo Jackson. Hey, we better finish our Cheerios. Yeah.
It's part of this complete breakfast.
Bo!
Come on, guys.
Some O's for the road.
Let's go. Okay, guys. Ready to run back?
You can get a free sticker and marked boxes of Cheerios, plus a chance to join the Bo Jackson fan club with your parents, okay?
After 20 years, still the hippest trip in America. Soul Train.
Saturday at noon on TV 33.
In this house lives a family very much like yours. Share their trying moments.
Our son posing nude. What a day.
Their laughter.
You actually think I'm a little kid?
Obviously, they're not going by the pound.
And their love.
Well, I think we're finally getting the hang of this parenting business.
It's a real slice of life. It's Growing Pains.
Weeknights at 6:30 on TV 33.
Don't kid yourself. TV 33 is the place.
Numbers to show you that.
So what are you worried about? Commercials were like Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. And by M, I mean all those catchy jingles that still haunt my dreams. Still to come on RETROcirq.
Wow.
Not Nani.
Oh.
I want to let you in on a little secret. You want to know if the person is a real friend? Simple. Friends do let friends. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to subscribe, like, and click the bell to be notified.
From one super kid to another, TV 33 is the place to be.
Come on over to our house 5 times a week.
Come on over to our house. There's always something cooking.
Premieres Monday, September 24th at 6:30 on TV 33.
This is it.
The wait is over. It's finally here.
Whoa!
The premiere kids all across America have been waiting for.
It's here.
The Disney Afternoon. Check it out.
You got gummy bears and ducktales. Rescue rangers on the rescue trail. Tailspin's happening. Check it out.
Afternoon.
Actually, I've been pretty lucky compared to a lot of people. You have to have a little distance to see things the way they really are. Then you can make comparisons.
My Life as a Dog. Sunday at 1 on TV 33.
Gotta have them. Gonna get them.
Mommy.
Gonna just
The golden part of your complete breakfast, Golden Grams.
Be careful, Charles. Yeah, you could hurt yourself that way. Sweetheart, I don't think you should try that.
Your mother's right, Charles. It's okay. I mean, I can't tell the kids to stay in shape if I'm not going to do it myself.
Charles, I need to borrow this.
Shape up with Charles in charge.
Mr. Powell, it's working. Adam's already much stronger.
Weeknights at 6 on TV 33.
Yeah, so what do we do? I'd like to go. Well, I'd love to. Now, let's learn how to. I want to visit, You want to what? Let's go. I'd really like to. Well, maybe not. How about we go? I want to learn how to make a movie. I'd like to meet. Yeah, that sounds like a fun year. What about the Girl Scouts? That's great if you want to make it.
Be nice to your friends and family. They care about you.
Remember when we thought the Walkman was the pinnacle of portable entertainment? Now we have pocket-sized supercomputers. What a time! Save for the retro commercials, this has been an independent original production of RETROcirq. If you had a blast, and I hope you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and share these nostalgic moments. Oh, and before you go, why don't you dive into our playlist for a binge-worthy trip down memory lane? Until next retro rendezvous, keep the memories alive, keep the laughs rolling, and as always,